Generally, organisms differ each other in their modes of deriving nutrients from the environment. Based on the mode of obtaining food, organisms are classified into two types. They are autotrophs, heterotrophs. Hence, there are mainly two modes of nutrition. They are autotrophic nutrition, heterotrophic nutrition. To begin with, let us learn about the requirement of nutrition in plants. The process by which green plants can make their own food, glucose, from simple substances like carbon dioxide, water from the soil, sunlight and minerals which are present in the surroundings is called autotrophic mode of nutrition. Organisms using this mode of nutrition are called autotrophs. Autotrophs produce large compounds like carbohydrates, proteins, and lipids, etc. These carbohydrates produced by plants are used for providing energy in most of the living organisms, including all animals and human beings. Everything we eat comes from the plants either directly or indirectly. After many centuries of research, scientists have discovered that the process of photosynthesis makes plants the universal food provider for all living organisms. Van Helmont and other scientists have concluded that plants not only get food materials from the soil but also from other factors during photosynthesis. After learning about nutrition in plants, let us learn about the same in animals. It is called heterotrophic nutrition. Each organism is habituated to live in its own environment. The form of nutrition taken by the animal varies based on the type and availability of food materials and also how it is obtained by the organism. For example, if the food source is static, such as grass, or movable, such as a deer, there is a difference in how the food is accessed and how the parts of body are involved in obtaining the food by a cow and a lion. Different organisms have different strategies for consuming the food. Few organisms break down the food material outside the body and then digest it. Examples: bread molds, yeast, mushrooms, etc. Some other organisms, like amoeba, take in whole food material inside their bodies and then break down into small pieces. This depends upon the digestive system of each organism. Some other organisms, like cuscuta, lice, leeches, and tapeworms take the nutrition from plants and animals without killing them. Let us learn how organisms obtain their nutrition.